Hi everyone, welcome to my newest video. Today I'm working with this interesting piece of wood. Here we are calling it mazer or mazer. If I'm not in wrong, it's also called maple burl wood. Correct me in comment section if I'm in wrong, and please tell me how you're calling it in your country. All in all, it's very hard and tricky to clean this live edge. After cleaning it, which took me a huge amount of time, I just cut these two boards to be symmetrical, put them in the mold and copied their shape. Later, I used these lines to know where to put the silicone. For the first layer of epoxy, I'm using black in order to achieve effect of deep water, and after that blue. Well, I need more details for this tabletop. Of course, I could do this on 3D printer, but I like to make this type of detail by hand. What you're looking at is a material that is usually used for kitchen worktops, and it's called kerak. It's very good for carving. The red color is nail varnish. I carved parts that I want to be colored, and after that I removed the excess color with sandpaper. After painting everything, I decided that I don't like this black interior, so I removed it. Well, right now I'm making a boat chase. After epoxy is cured, I will make wave effect, but I will do that from several layers. So right now I'm trying to find solution for boat interior. I need a steering wheel and a seat. What do you think about my idea? In effect, I enjoy process of creating this effect, so I have to be careful not to overdo it if I haven't already. I didn't expect that, and luckily the camera didn't fall. Something I didn't think about before pouring the final layer. After a few moves with rotor, I realized what could be a problem. I didn't measure how much space I have about the boat. As you can see, I went pretty deep. I didn't have to, but I didn't think about it. So what's bothering me now is, will I dodge the boat with my rotor blade? The moment when I come over the boat was quite tense, but fortunately everything turned out well. Of course, before surface was ready for sanding, I had to fill these tiny holes and cracks. In the end, I'm applying acrylic varnish. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider to give me your opinion in comment section below, and if you like it, consider to subscribe. See you soon.